Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Dropbox for managing property contract folders. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. To register with Dropbox, start by opening your web browser. In the address bar, type www.dropbox.com and press enter. Once the Dropbox homepage loads, look for the sign up button and click on it. You will be directed to a registration page. Here, you can choose to sign up with your email address or through Google. If you choose to use your email, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a strong password that you'll remember. Redefine your password by typing it again in the confirmation box. After completing these fields, click the Create an Account button. If you signed up with Google, follow the prompts to link your Google account. Once registered, you may be asked to verify your email address. Check your email inbox for a verification email from Dropbox. Open the email and click the verification link provided. After verification, return to the Dropbox website and log in with your new credentials. Now that you are logged in, familiarize yourself with the interface. Click on the All Files section to see your storage space. To organize your property contracts, create a new folder by clicking the New Folder button. Name the folder appropriately, such as Property Contracts. Next, you'll want to upload your property contract files to this folder. Click the Upload Files button and select the files you want to add. You can also drag and drop files directly into the folder from your computer. Once your files are uploaded, you can share the folder with colleagues or clients. Right-click on the folder and select the Share option to invite others. Enter the email addresses of the people you want to share with. Add a note if needed and click Send. Congratulations, you have successfully registered with Dropbox and organized your property contract. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.